Hey everybody, I'm going to be painting on canvas board. I painted it black first, that way the white won't show through if I use a napkin on them. My paint is Saks heavy bodied acrylic. I used 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 20% water. I'm going to get our base coat down. I'm going to use my spike. This is a ball I got from the pet section of Walmart. I cut it in half. It does great. I'm going to use blue, red, orange, and white. My colors are 1 part Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 20% water. I'm going to use some iridescent white. I added just a little water to it. Use just a little bit of black. Now I'm going to use this little 6-sided dessert cup. I'm going to use a dry paper towel. Lightly press down. When you pull your napkin towards the center, all your paint gets pulled to the middle. I like to suction some of that out and redefine my middle a little bit. I do it in a circular motion. And in the process, I'm picking up all this loose paint. You gotta do it slowly. You want it to draw that paint in. I hope you enjoyed.